Hello everyone, my name is Nazila Rutujana. In this video, I want to tell you about route of drug administration. A. Enteral. Enteral is route of drug administration, which will later be via the gastrointestinal tract. 1. Oral by mouth. Example of medication paracetamol. Absorption mechanism. The drug is absorbed through the intestinal wall into the bloodstream and then distributed throughout the body through the circulatory system. 2. Sublingual. Placement under the tongue allow the drug to diffuse into the capillary bed and therefore directly into the systemic circulation. Administration of a drug by this route has the advantage that the bypasses the intestinal and liver, and the drug is not interactive by metabolism. One example of sublingual drugs is isosorbitol dinitrate (ISDN) for angina pectoris. 3. Rectal. Suppositories rectally, especially to medication, analgesic suppositories. Absorption mechanism. The drug is released after being inserted into the rectum and absorbed through the mucous membrane. Vaginal. Example of medication, antifungal suppositories. Absorption mechanism. The drug is absorbed through the vaginal walls and mucous membrane into the bloodstream. B. Parenteral. Parenteral is used for drugs are poorly absorbed through the gastrointestinal tract, and for drugs such as insulin that are suitable in the gastrointestinal tract. The parenteral route of the drug administration is also used for the treatment of Onsikrons patient and in situations that require rapid drug action. 4. Intravenous IV through a vein. Example of a drug morphine. Absorb mechanism. The drug is injected directly into the bloodstream, so the effect is instant and immediate. 5. Intramuscular IM through mescal. Example of drug insulin injection. Absorption mechanism. The drug is injected into the muscle and then absorbed into the bloodstream from there. 6. Subcutaneous SC under the skin. Example of drugs, enoxaparin. Absorption mechanism. The drug is injected into the tissue under the skin and then absorbed into the bloodstream. Other drug routes. 7. Topical through the skin. Example of medication, steroid cream. Absorption mechanism. The drug is applied to the skin and absorbed through the skin into the bloodstream. 8. Inhalation through breathing. Example of medication, albuterol inhaler. Absorption mechanism. The drug is inhaled through the respiratory tract and absorbed by the lung and blood capillaries through drain. 9. ACE ophthalmic. Example of medication, antibiotic, eye drops. Absorption mechanism. The drug is absorbed by the eye tissue after being applied to the eye. 10. Ear otic. Example of medication, antibiotic ear drops. Absorption mechanism. The drug is absorbed by the middle ear membrane after being applied to the ear. So, each route of drug use has a different absorption method depending on the application site. Understanding an absorption mechanism is important in the safe and effective use of drug. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.